Okay, to do a quick video after dinner. A few days ago, I facing a problem, which is this Samsung S22 Ultra. The volume button is not not working. It press without any pressing feel. So I'm going do is actually go walk into Samsung shop and asking why and how to fix it. Then use the phone, zoom in, and see this. They claim that my button got some UV glue or something. So, if to fix the button, I need to change the whole screen. See, changed. You get me right. Change the button. You need to change the whole screen. What the? This is what some people tell me. I have a record as well, regarding what he said. So I'm thinking like this totally not make sense. Number one, he said this one already void the warranty, which means my phone don't have warranty anymore. To replace the screen, I need to pay for the screen. But my phone is all works well, and the button actually is still able to press. This is very hard to press. So I'm thinking, well, not make sense. So I'm quite mad and go home. Here's how I fix it. I fix it. I use alcohol, like 80, because I do 3D printing, resin printing, so I always have new alcohol around me, 99%, 95%. I just spray nearby the button and I keep pressing, and it works. This is how the simple fix. Well, hope this video help you save the screen. Bye.